it's your boy SyVon.
It's your girl SyVon.
And we are back with another video. Anyways, as you guys saw the thumbnail and the title, today guys we're gonna be trying something a little different, something I never tried before. But I seen it on the internet and I told Babe about it and she said, actually, when I seen it on the internet, she saw it and she was like, "Babe, I told you about this a couple years ago, a couple months ago." Yeah. So I was like,
I told him about it when it was first like coming around. I was like, "Oh, you want to try this?" He was like, "Ooh, no."
Make sure you got like, comment, subscribe.
Okay, so first things first, let me tell you what we got. We got the mega box. So in this, it's the 2 hands mega set.
Fight!
More fuck. Read something, man.
Give me your phone.
What?
All of it is not on there.
No, man, we're not gonna try that. I go check it. I go put it aside.
Fine. Anyway, because this is not all 5 of them.
How much that?
It's only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You ready 4?
I guess this is one of them. Hush, be quiet. So we got the 2 hands. Okay. Okay. We got the 2 hands mega set. So I guess the first one is the spicy. We got half sausage, half mozzarella. The next one is, oh no, the first one was called 2 hands, I guess.
Sausage tonight?
Yes. What, you don't know what a corn dog is? Corn dog has meat in it.
Sausage?
Yes. Not like a real, so I think it's like a link. I don't know. Shit like a.
Can't try for the video.
Yes.
So yes.
Anyway.
Yes.
So I think the first one's called 2 hands. So it's
chicken.
no, it's not chicken.
A sausage.
You thought it was chicken in there?
Like Frankfurt sausage?
Yeah, I think so. I think so, yeah. This boy here.
So yes, I try to think make a cancel this now. We can't cancel this on the camera, yeah man?
Yes, man. Everybody.
You ever see that?
You're not cutting it.
Finish with us.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So the first is called 2 hands. It's half sausage, half mozzarella. The next one is called spicy. It's a spicy beef sausage. So yeah, that's what it is. It's no cheese on it, I don't think. And then the next one is the potato corn dog. It's a spicy beef sausage. The next one is a classic. It's half sausage, half mozzarella. And then the last one is crispy. It's half sausage, half mozzarella. Ah. Ooh la la.
Nice.
I
can't bite this dog.
Yes, he can.
I can't bite this dog. I have to cut this up in half.
You was not cutting it.
Babe, I can't bite, brother. I can't cut this up in half. No, man, I'm not going to stop here from work and all over. I'm not pick up a stick and bite it.
You better pick up a stick.
No, we are pre, but we are pre.
Okay, I'll bite it first.
Huh?
I'll bite it.
What that mean when you bite it first, regardless? We not give you bite it first and last. It's still not the funny stick.
Just take it off the stick in.
You know my definitely on the stick off the stick then. Instead I want Frankfurt. You have to about bite it first and try that by the stick. You know what that? What?
Cheese.
That's full of cheese.
Move your leg like scoot over.
So the Frank's name of that? Nice.
What's good?
Hell no.
It's a stick right there, Jamal.
What that mean? I mean by a stick there.
There's a stick right there in the middle.
Where is stick mean?
Go, cut it. Cut it, dummy.
Oh, I can't cut it. I can find a different way to buy this.
Hey, just peel it off then. Break a piece. There. The meat is right here, I think. See, that's all cheese. It's good. Oh, this was good.
Chop up.
Works. Right, whatever sauce they put on top, it tastes sweet.
That bad. That bad.
What's wrong with it? Oh, that's plain. Ketchup or something on it.
Yeah, something like that. I think WD-40. I need ketchup, WD-40, everything. But I don't understand. They put the. So you see, you have to pause. You have to pause. You have to pause. You have to see how long it is, bro. Pause. The such is pause. The such is their pause.
Man,
The such is the Franks. They're weird on that, so y'all see a lot big pause. You know what I'm saying?
thank you. Shut up. Because every other word is pause. Pause.
What's that? Ketchup? Oh. Maybe I wish the thing was a little longer. The Franks. You see, them bite all the things all the way down there. But maybe they did it that way. I'm not really fancy that one.
Sorry. I think this one is like. I think this one is a spicy beef sausage. So all of this sausage. None of it's cheese.
I like the Franks.
Oh, it's so hard.
No, come here, do this one. Go ahead,
It's alright.
not that spicy.
It's spicy.
It's flat on my nose.
It's okay. It's not like, ooh, yeah.
Not that spicy.
What? This one here, boy, I tell you. I think that one is the sausage too. Yeah. He is retarded. What? Your dirty finger on me.
I'm finna clean that pum pum. Don't play me.
Lie again.
Don't play me.
Lie again.
Eat something.
Lie again.
Name me something.
Lie again.
Name me something.
Lie again.
Push your name out.
What? What?
La da dee.
Lie that do.
La da do.
Yeah.
Deep throat it.
That's what you doing over there.
No, fuck, what's it, bro? You. Yeah, stop playing with the camera here. They will actually believe you, know. They will actually believe you.
I should have took a picture when he was over there, how he bit this thing. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Hold on.
Where you gonna show me? You didn't even see what I did.
I'm gonna show you what he did.
Oh, them, yeah, oh, yeah, show them how you, where you going that bedroom, on that bedroom.
No, that's not
Yeah, no, yeah, show you that. You know, I'm not them. You know what? I ain't thinking.
Oh my
I ain't entertain your foolish Larry. I'm not going to entertain her foolish Larry. Anyways, that's spicy too?
Yeah, I got a little spice on it.
Got a little spice to it. So far, the first one is still the baddest one.
It got like a little sweet, spicy. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. It's like, it's spicy, but then it got like a little sweetness to it. It just...
Alright guys, this is the last one right here. Oh, these chips.
I want my money back.
So far, this is the best one. Anyways, guys, so that's concludes the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys ever tried these before, comment down below. Let us know what's your favorite. Like I said, these is the favorite one for us. I don't know what was this called because Mr. Spooks right here don't remember. So.
Whatever. I think.
So yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Peace.